In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSS feed to a page or post in HubSpot. An RSS feed lets you automatically display the latest items from another source, like a blog or news site, right on your HubSpot page. Before we begin, have the RSS feed URL ready. It usually ends in .xml or feed, and it must be publicly accessible. Start by opening your browser, heading to Google, and typing HubSpot. Click through to the HubSpot website and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and hover to reveal the navigation. Find the section labeled Content. From there, select Website Pages to open the list of pages you can edit. Choose the specific website page you want to work on. This opens the page editor. On the left side of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new module to your layout. The module library will appear with a search bar at the top. In that search bar, type RSS. You'll see an option called RSS Listing. Click it, then drag and drop it onto your page where you want the feed to appear. Take a moment to place it in a spot that makes sense for your layout, such as below a hero section or in a sidebar area, depending on your design. Next, give your feed a clear, descriptive title. This is the heading visitors will see above the list of items, so make it helpful and concise. Something like latest articles or industry news. In the module settings, select Use an external RSS feed. This tells HubSpot that you'll be pulling content from a source outside your portal. Paste your RSS URL into the provided field. Make sure the URL is correct and points to a valid RSS or Atom feed. If the feed doesn't load, double-check that the link is complete, uses HTTP or HTTPS, and isn't behind a login or firewall. When everything looks good, click Apply Changes to save your module settings. That locks in the feed configuration on the page. From here, you can continue fine-tuning the design or content as needed. The process is the same idea if you're editing a post instead of a page. Open the item in the editor and follow these steps with the RSS listing module. And that's it. You searched HubSpot and signed in, navigated to website pages, opened your page, added the RSS listing module, titled it, connected an external feed, and applied your changes. Now your page will automatically reflect new items as they're published in the source feed.